Okay, so module 6 is going to be on process improvement tools and techniques, right? And we're beginning to get into the deep stuff here gradually, right? So with tools and techniques, I'm going to start with tools, right? So we're going to start with the 7 common quality tools, right? And an interesting fact that's really important to mention here is that manufacturing is one of the earliest industries that started adopting, improvement strategies. And, the concept of lean started in manufacturing, Six Sigma too started in manufacturing. So a lot of industries, started learning from manufacturing, So this is why, we have so much to do in terms of so much opportunities in terms of maximizing, the kind of excellence that we expect, maximizing the kind of outputs, maximizing our results, right? There's so much that can be done within the context of manufacturing. All right, so there's what is called seven quality tools. So we're going to look at things like fishbone, that's cause and effect diagram, check sheets, control charts, histogram, Pareto, scatter diagram, all of that, right? I will look at them in detail, explaining them one after the other. This is what this does, this is how it is used, and all of that. So this course is meant to be, and this is how I think about it, is meant to be some form of reference material where you keep referring to things. Oh, I need this tool. I learned it in this course. How did they do it? And then you come back, you just watch that model, and then you get those ideas and you're ready to implement. This is the vision I have, that you would have access to this course for as long as possible, and you keep going back to check, to fine tune your skills, use them, practice them, and as you use these tools, as you use these things, you get better at it, and then you keep creating magic, you keep creating value, and all of that. And then we'll look at other tools, that are not under these 7 quality tools. Affinity diagram, checklist, 5W, 2H, flowcharts, Gantt charts, 5 Ys, failure mode and effect analysis, and all of that. So those are some of the tools that we're going to look at. We're going to also look at other tools, right, outside of this, especially when we get to, the other modules as well. In terms of techniques, right, we're going to look at techniques such as benchmarking. So we'll talk about the types of benchmarking and how it is done. We're also going to talk about some approaches, the incremental approach, the breakthrough approach, and of course, at an introductory level in this model, we'll talk about Lean and Six Sigma, right? Because of how huge Lean and Six Sigma is, I've dedicated, the next model to just these two, right? In fact, this is probably one of the longest models in the course. That's Lean and Six Sigma in model 7. All right, so let's move to the next model that we have here. Awesome.